What if you could get compensated for every mouse click you made? What if you could find out how to turn that little amount of money earned from each click into a substantial quantity earned from just one click when compared to other people, allowing you to practically produce a limitless amount of money by simply using your phone or computer? The creation of movies or websites is not required, nor do you need to have complex technical skills and knowledge to participate. You are also not required to have any social media following. You won't even need any money to get started, since this groundbreaking approach is entirely free and accessible from anywhere on the globe. Imagine being able to achieve financial independence simply by engaging in basic internet money-making activities. Financial freedom allows you to provide for yourself, your wants and needs, as well as for anything else that you desire, such as a house, a car, or whatever else you desire. You can also provide for your family, paying for bills and paying for your child's school tuition without having to worry about whether or not you have enough money in the bank. You can provide for everything that your family requires, and it is this basic strategy that is responsible for it now. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? To get things started, let's go to the entireweb.com domain. The entire web is essentially quite similar to Google in terms of functionality. Basically, the site's revenue is generated through PPC, or pay-per-click. This implies that even if no action is taken when someone clicks on your referral link, you will be compensated for that one click. However, they are new and gearing up, and it is for this reason that they are rewarding everyone who can create clicks that would direct them to this website. Essentially, they want more people to click on it so that they may increase the number of visitors on your website and so increase their earning potential. Go to EntireWeb and you will see on their site there is a symbol with 3 lines. Click on it and then choose Affiliates from the drop-down menu that appears. Following your click, you will be sent to the next page where you will notice that you can earn up to 20 cents for every click. As we all know about affiliate marketing, I want to give an introduction to this money-earning method for beginners. Affiliate marketing is a type of advertising in which a firm pays third-party publishers to send traffic or leads to its products and services. Affiliates are third-party publications that are paid a commission to create a new method to promote the firm. It seems to be straightforward, doesn't it? Also, since I'm feeling a little generous today, I'm going to share some tips and methods with you on how you may optimize your earning potential and gradually make it into something more lucrative and passive. As you can see, you will be compensated for each click generated on this platform. As previously said, this approach is open to everyone, anywhere on the globe, at any time. Following the completion of this process, you will be able to pay out your earnings using PayPal. It is for this reason that it is necessary to have a PayPal account. In the absence of this account, you will be unable to pay out the money that you have earned. According to the platform, we pay our affiliates through PayPal, and all earnings for the previous month will be paid at the end of the month. All payments are made in US dollars, and we do not accept any other forms of payment. The minimum payout amount is $50 US, and all you have to do is provide your PayPal email address and you'll be ready to go. As an example, this platform performs the same tasks as Google as a search engine. You can go to this website to search for whatever you want, and you can just key in anything that you'd want to explore or read about on it. After that, these platforms will provide the most accurate and relevant articles or documents they have available. Consider the phrase money making as an example. Then you will be taken to the relevant page, which will display all of the search results that are linked to the subject or phrase that you have just entered. These results might be in the form of articles, or videos, or photographs, or blogs, among other formats. This method may lead to us being the website's promoter or an affiliate according to their conditions, and assisting them in reaching their aim of building trust from visitors to their website, which will enable you to earn a lot of money at the same time as they do. It is as simple as pie. Simply said, if you suggest someone to the site and encourage them to experience it, you will earn a substantial sum of money. Moreover, this is just for one individual. What if there were hundreds, maybe thousands of individuals who were persuaded by you and who then clicked on the search engine link? That literally implies that a significant sum of money is heading your way. And to underline, this opportunity is just too good to pass up. You won't really be selling anything. Instead, you'll be supplying them with a new search engine that they can use in their everyday operations. Now is the time to sign up as an affiliate with this search engine. Let's start with the registration process. To do this, just click on Create an Account. Following your click, you will be forwarded to the next page, where you will be required to supply them with the necessary information in order for the registration to be completed successfully, like the specifics that are required here. The only thing to remember is that you must have your own PayPal account in order to get paid. And if you have been successful in creating your account, you may advertise this search engine so that you can begin earning money and hustling as well. Furthermore, they accept a variety of additional payment options as well, and after supplying all of the necessary information, only their terms and conditions will be required to be reviewed. And if you agree with it, all you have to do now is click on Sign Up to bring everything to a conclusion. This will take you around 1 minute to complete as part of your registration. Following your registration, you will be taken to your very personal dashboard. To get started, you'll need to create a unique link that you'll promote all over the internet in order to earn money and send these clickers to the entire web. In order to continue, we will also want a brief script, which you will use to promote your unique link to other people. To begin, open Google Docs and create a blank page on which you may write anything that will compel visitors to click on your link. Another suggestion for doing this is to look for a ready-made script on Google. However, if you have the time, you may just create your own. Consider the possibility that the little work you put into creating the script may result in you earning a substantial sum of money in the near future. Now, after you've finished with your script in Google Docs, all you have to do is download it in PDF format. In the aftermath of this, we will move on to Slideshare.net, which is our next platform of choice. This is where we will post our newly created script or small article that contains the URL to our website. This platform is incredible, with over 1 million views each day from individuals all around the globe, which is absurd. In a way, this is a traffic source in that it allows you to market whatever link you choose to thousands of people every day for free. Slideshare is a fantastic site for sharing PDFs or presentations with others, as well as viewing and downloading the same provided by others. Slideshare allows visitors to view shared subjects in the form of slides, even if they are published as a PDF file, making it simple to absorb and comprehend. It is also quite useful to prepare presentations at the last minute because of the large number of themes available. It also has a very effective and user-friendly search engine. To get started, let's create an account on this site by clicking on this Sign Up button right now. To upload your PDF file once you've successfully registered your account, just click on the Upload button. After that, choose the file that you want to promote and give it a title that will persuade the general public to click on it. This is optional. Once you've completed all of the information required, just click on this Publish button to have your script and article published, and you're done. After that, all you have to do is wait for clickers and internet money to come in and hurry. In the end, this is a win-win scenario for everyone involved. The entire web receives new customers or clickers, the clicker is given the authority to look for anything they like on the website, and by introducing these individuals to the search engine, you will be able to earn a respectable amount of money. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.